Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC videos and knife review videos, and we try to have a lot of fun with it. So if you give us a like and subscribe to the channel, it would be greatly appreciated. So today we're going to go over some knives from Rosecraft Blades. They come in this nice red box with this sticker that comes in the envelope they send it in. So let's open it up. Let's take a look at it. And you may be saying, why was your video titled BigRedEDC is a bad influence? Well, he is, at least on me. I watch his channel, and he has an amazing channel. If you don't know his channel, it's BigRedEDC. I'll link it in the description. He has a fun channel. He has introduced me to Rosecraft and some other knives that I wasn't aware of because I'm not a slip joint fan, and Rosecraft is known for their slip joints. Not that I'm not a slip joint fan, but I haven't had slip joints in a long time. But I decided I didn't want to go over their slip joints because that's what a lot of people have been doing. I wanted to go over their more traditional knives. So again, Big Red EDC JB, he's a great guy. Love his channel, love his Saturday Night Live show, and he's the reason why we have these Rosecraft blades here today. So yes, he is a bad influence on me. So they send it in this felt bag. This is the Rosecraft Ogee. This is a 3.34-inch D2 steel blade. It's an upswept cleaver blade. It's a stonewash finish. It's a manual flipper. It's a ball bearing pivot. It's ambidextrous. Clip can be reversed, so it's great for lefties and righties, which is really nice because a lot of knife companies fail to do that. It's a liner lock. It's got your black G10 handles. It's got these beautiful blue liners. I don't know if you could see that really well in the video. Let me try and hold that up there, maybe move that up to the camera slightly. It's got these beautiful blue liners. And it's a tip-up pocket clip. It's 4.4 inches closed and 7.8 overall length. And it was designed by Chase Schneider. This one is real flippy. Great detent. Great action on that. It's got these beautiful blue thumb studs, so you can flip it manual. You can flip it using the flipper. You can use the thumb studs. It will pop out every time. You can reverse flick it, and it's very drop shutty. You can one hand operate this, and it's just a great EDC knife. And it's kind of got, a traditional looking handle with some modern aesthetics. And I think this is just a fantastic blade. Truth be known, I had this out of the box before. I've actually carried it and used it. And it is a real slicer. I've used it for slicing boxes at work. And every day I use it to slice my apples. I eat apples every day, and I slice them with my pocket knives. And this one is just fantastic. So we're going to move that out of the way. Actually, let's do a size comparison real quick before we do that. I'm going to put it up against, this is a CJRB Pyrite Light. And as you can see, it's very close. You put the pivots very close in size. The next one we're going to put it up against is a NAFS Lander 1. And you can see it's bigger than the NAFS Lander 1. So it's a good size blade. I'll move those out of the way. So I really like this knife, and this is the kicker. This knife's been discontinued, but they have plenty of them right now at Rosecraft, and this knife is only $15. So if you're looking for a quality knife at a great price, this one currently is only $15. So I'd reach out and order one as soon as possible before they run out. But I love this knife, and it fits my hand perfectly. I can get all 4 fingers on there. I wish it had some jimping here, but even with that, because of the way it's upswept, you can actually kind of get in there, and you can do a nice pinch grip. I almost caught myself there. You can do a nice pinch grip on it for precision cutting. But this is just a fun blade. I really like this. So let's move that out of the way, and let's look at the next one. So this is the next knife. It's also a Rosecraft, and this one is called the Castoria. This one is a more traditional looking knife. And it also came with this sticker. I ordered these separately. So this was their Christmas themed sticker that they sent. And I really like what they're doing with the stickers. But let's get to the knife. That's what really counts. We're going to move this out of the way. Okay, so if you look, this has a very traditional look to it, but it's a modern knife. It is a button lock. It's a manual flipper. It's got a 3.9-inch D2 spear point blade. It's got a satin finish with a heavy swedge up here. Really nice. Really big handle. I've got an extra large hand, and I mean, I could fit my whole hand, and if I had a fifth finger there, I'd be able to fit it. It really feels nice. Again, no jimping here, but I guess they're going for that traditional, look, that traditional style. It has this nice badge laid in here. It's not a deep carry clip, but it is an ambidextrous knife. It's great for lefties and righties. It has stainless steel liners, and it's not drop shutty, but that may be because it needs to be broken in. This is very new. I got this after Christmas, but it flips out perfectly. The one thing I wish they had done, and you don't notice it on the Ogee as much. The Ogee, because it's all black, you don't notice that it doesn't have a filler tab here. On this one, I just wish they would put a filler tab. That would really have made it a nice, smooth finish. I might even try and make one for that. That's my really only complaint. It has a space for a lanyard for you lanyard guys, which, as you people know, I'm a lanyard guy. And this will really, I mean, you can cut just about anything with this. This is great. This is going to be a great EDC knife, but it's not intimidating. You pull out some knives and they're intimidating. People see this one, it reminds them of their old, of their old buck knife or their old case knife. So let's put it down there. Let's get a size comparison here. We're going to put this up against a CJRB pyrite. So you see, pivot to pivot, it's got a longer blade, longer handle. Next one we'll put it up against is the Kershaw Bel Air. Also, bigger than that. And these are two of my favorite knives. And you can just see how big it is. So this is a big knife. Move these out of the way. I just think the world of this knife. I really love it. And this one was designed by Andy Armstrong. And just to let you know, in its closed length, it's 4.6 inches. And its overall length is 8.5 inches. It's just a great design. Between that one and the Ogee, these are two great value knives at the moment. And by the way, this one, the price on this one currently is $20 on the Rosecraft site. So you could get both of these knives for $35 total. That is just mind-blowing to me. And it's a great bargain. So if you're looking for a modern style knife, but with a traditional look, don't sleep on Rosecraft. They're fantastic, So I just wanted to let you in on these. And again, these were basically, I saw these through BigRedEDC's channel, and I appreciate everything he does. He's been very helpful in helping me grow this channel, so I appreciate all of that. So if you're not subscribed to him, go over to his channel, please subscribe and check him out. Also, too, I have new stickers that have come in. I have these smaller stickers. If anybody would like those, I'm going to put my email address in the description. You can email me and I'll get you some stickers out. I have these, and I also have the larger ones like you see here. These were prior to doing EDC coverage. This is when we were just a purely motorcycle channel. Now we've changed, so we've added the EDC and knives to it, but I will send you a set of both of those if you want. Again, you just have to email me. And look out for the live streams that'll be coming up. And again, if you like this kind of stuff, please like and subscribe. And again, until we meet again, keep your blade sharp.